Business litigation lawyers versus commercial dispute specialists. Which one is better for contract disputes? Most business owners get this wrong by thinking any legal expert can handle a contract dispute, but the surprising truth is that choosing the right type of legal professional can save your company time, money, and even its reputation. Business litigation lawyers are traditional courtroom advocates. They represent clients when contract disputes escalate to formal litigation. Their expertise covers breach of contract claims, non-payment issues, and complex commercial conflicts. For example, if a supplier fails to deliver critical goods and the dispute threatens your operations, a litigation lawyer can file a lawsuit, gather evidence, and negotiate a settlement under court supervision. They are ideal for high-stakes or contentious disputes where a strong legal presence is essential. Commercial dispute specialists, on the other hand, focus on alternative dispute resolution. They often work as mediators, arbitrators, or consultants to help parties resolve disagreements outside the courtroom. This approach is faster, less costly, and helps maintain business relationships. For instance, if two companies have a disagreement over contract terms but want to continue working together, a commercial dispute specialist can facilitate negotiations or arbitration to reach a fair agreement without litigation. So, which is better? If the conflict is likely to go to court or involve substantial financial risk, business litigation lawyers are your best choice. However, if maintaining a partnership and avoiding public litigation is important, commercial dispute specialists provide a strategic, cooperative solution. The key takeaway is that not all contract disputes require the same approach. Evaluating the severity of the dispute, the financial stakes, and the importance of business relationships will guide your decision. The right expert ensures your company's interests are protected while minimizing unnecessary costs and reputational damage. Understanding the difference between litigation lawyers and dispute specialists empowers business owners to act decisively and strategically when contracts go wrong.